At ValvTechnologies, our journey began in 1987 with a clear vision to deliver the most reliable severe service valves. Today, we are a global leader, setting the standard with our engineered-to-order zero-leakage metal-seated ball valves. Our dedication to research and development keeps us at the forefront of valve innovation. By investing in cutting-edge technology and rigorous testing, we develop solutions that adapt to the ever-evolving needs of our customers. This unwavering commitment enables us to deliver valves that outperform the competition, even in the most demanding environment. High temperature, high pressure, high cycling, abrasive, corrosive, and caustic media have all been considered in the design of our product lines. We have established a worldwide reputation for superior quality and dependability with customers in a variety of industries, including mining and minerals processing, power, nuclear, oil and gas, upstream, midstream, and downstream, chemical processing, renewable energy, and pulp and paper. Wherever you are, whatever your needs, ValvTechnologies keeps your business flowing smoothly. Our global network of authorized repair centers are available 24 hours a day, 7 days a week to handle your maintenance needs anytime, anywhere. Our goal is simple: to be 100% customer-focused. Through our commitment to excellence, we provide the highest level of manufacturing quality and after-sales service, giving our customers peace of mind and confidence in their operations. We are ValvTechnologies. We keep your business flowing. Learn more at valve.com.